Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome Tim Hortons Original Blend coffee K-Cups. We really like this flavor in our family. It's a very nice original blend. Simple, but it has a very good flavor. It's smooth, it's not bitter, it's not too strong, it's more on the mild side. So we love that it comes in the single serve serving here with the K-Cups. It works really nicely in our machine, and we are able to just brew one pot as we go. So as you can see, it's really simple. We just put it in, pop it down, make our coffee, and sip away. Some of us like adding creamer in ours, others just drink it black, but either way you have a great cup of coffee that is gonna give you energy and taste good. So I definitely recommend these. You should check them out, and that is my point of view.